This roof might just look like a layer of shingles. It's a lot more complicated than that. Today, we're going to talk about the anatomy of the roof. I'm John Thur from JDT Construction. Today, we're here to talk about the elements of your roof and why it's so important to have it professionally installed. The elements of your roof include a drip edge, an ice and water shield, an underlayment as a vapor barrier, a starter strip, an asphalt finishing product, and most importantly, a ventilation system. Let's start with drip edge and why it's so important to your roof. It protects you from water backing up behind your fascia boards and dumping in your soffits. It should also be installed on the eaves, or as we call in the business, rakes. That protects you from wind-driven rain that might blow in the sides of your roof. The next element of your roof is ice and water shield. It's an important part of your roof system. It protects you from ice dams, which protects your house from having water penetrate when ice builds up in your gutters. The next element of your roof is the underlayment. It's an additional layer that protects you from the weather. Properly installed, it extends the life of your roof. The starter shingle is an important part of your roof system because it prevents the first layer of shingles from blowing off the roof. Asphalt shingles are the next element of your roof. If installed properly, with the right amount of nails in the right locations, it should perform for the full 30 years. Finally, ventilation. For me, this is the most important part of your roof system. Professional installation is the key to having your roof last the full 30 years. Hey, thanks for watching our video. JDT Construction is a quality resource for any of your projects. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel.